Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your phone is 5G capable and your carrier has service where you are. Once done, update the OS and enable mobile data and location so the radio behaves correctly. Next, make sure you have an appropriate 5G plan or add-on. Read the data cap details and potential throttling. If your phone has a 5G mode selector, set it to auto or 5G preferred so you begin connecting right away. Don't skip this step. Once connected to 5G, you refine performance. You choose the 5G network option in settings, prefer 5G NR or standalone 5G when offered, because it reduces latency and improves speeds. Make sure you test signal strength by moving outdoors or near windows. Simple placement changes often yield major gains. Also, enable carrier aggregation or band steering if your device supports it, and consider an external antenna or 5G home gateway for stable throughput in weak coverage areas. To finish, validate the connection. Run multiple speed tests at different times and compare results to what your carrier promises. If speeds lag, temporarily disable VPN or any co-S apps because they can throttle throughput. Then reboot your modem and device to refresh the radio handshake. If problems persist, test with another 5G-capable SIM or revert to 4G to isolate the issue, and contact your carrier with documented times and locations so they can troubleshoot network-side problems efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.